Lights and camera and action. This is Solo the Wise, a homeless entrepreneur, and I'm making a video for a friend today. Um, that's pretty much the one reason why I'm making the video today. If people follow and watch these videos and actually entertain me, I'll make more of them. But I'm not gonna just be making these just for no reason. That's why I focus on gardening now. It's not worth my time. People ain't gonna watch it, especially if people just want freebies. Either you're gonna watch a video or you can pay me directly. But I'm not. Usually, I don't charge. That's why I tell you just to watch the YouTube videos. Um, because I had some African guy that wanted me to teach him, but either you just watch the video or I charge you up right because it's with all the witchcraft and all the scamming going on. It's just not worth it unless you pay me up front or watch the video. But anyway, like I'm saying, today I'm making a video because my friend, he's a crypto investor, and I haven't held crypto in a while. I have some crypto tokens from a gaming website. You can see that on my channel. And I still own positions in that, but I haven't owned outright crypto. Like those are tokens. They're crypto tokens, but I haven't owned outright crypto in a long time. And I'm gonna buy some crypto and hold a little bit of it, but mainly my thing is stocks. So and I'm telling him to diversify now. Just hold the crypto and buy stocks now, so he can generate income. So this is what this video is about. This is for him to figure out and navigate the different stocks to buy in particularly this bear market, because we are in the bear market. And as you can see, like you look at this stuff, a lot of these are red. Oh my god, we're gonna do this today. We're doing this today. Hold up, it's a signal. Hold up. What the hell? I didn't tell you to do that. Why you do that? Oh, it showed up. That's nice. All right. So basically, what you're looking at is gold income ETFs. For the bulk of my income right now, I hold the gold ETFs from YieldMax, XDTE, which is Round Hill S&P 500, which is not actually doing good. Maggie WPay, which are also not doing good, and those are Round Hill. They pay weekly. Maggie covers the Magnificent Seven, which is all your tech, which is of course that's not doing good. And Round Hill is very similar. I mean, WPay is similar. Because I'm gonna break this down in a second. QQQY, which is another I think I forgot what the Nasdaq covers. It's I know there's a lot of tech stock in it too, and this one's pretty stable too. It's recently been going down, but for a long time it's been stable, and I have confidence that it will stay stable. For my income ETFs that pay weekly, those are the ones that I chose, and I'm gonna break down exactly why and Well, gold is a no-brainer, which is the GDXY ticker symbol. The reason why the ticker symbol is how you pull up the stock. That's the name of the stock. The reason why I chose Yieldmax Gold Miners, which is GDXY, is because during times of turbulence, when the markets are going bad, people are going to flee to safety. And the safest stock to buy right now is gold itself. Why is gold safe? Because because the S&P 500 is falling. Tech stocks are usually growth stocks. They don't even pay dividends, but because they're failing, because everything's overpriced and the economy is choppy now, people are going to flee to safety. What's safer than gold? In times of uncertainty, gold is the safest asset, which means even though I hold positions in WPay and Maggie, you know, S&P 500 holds all those positions, which means Maggie and WPay will go down. So it's a good buying opportunity, but you won't make as much money you would in the bull market right now. But now it's a good time to stack up. It doesn't matter if you're buying income ETFs or actual dividend stocks. And we're about to go over that in a second. But right now, because everything is red, I've done this in the past, and you're about to see me do it again. This is the time to buy these stocks because everything's going to be cheap, dirt cheap. Other than the income, this Sea Control, we'll talk about that another day. That has nothing to do with anything. We're not talking about penny stocks today either. Other than the income ETFs, the income ETFs for me, that's just I'm a businessman. I own businesses, and that's the way I generate revenue for my employees and stuff. So we're not gonna really go into that too much. I was just showing you some basic ideals. But remember, this is not financial advice. You know, you've been warned. This is just for entertainment purposes. Now, these are war stocks. I believe, now this is my first time doing this. I usually don't invest in this. I held positions a long, long time ago, but I believe these stocks are going to do better than QQQQ, the SP 500, and tech. And in your war stocks, you got LMT, Lockheed Martin Corporation, RTX Corporation. I think they make missiles. BA, which is Boeing airplanes. You're going to need gasoline for war. The soldiers need hygiene, J&J. And Norro Gorman, I think they make guns. Yeah, I need to buy that next. Papateer use technology for spyware and other things like that. Pretty sure Tesla's gonna get involved at some point. I forget what Extron Incorporated makes. You're gonna need trains to transport the goods from one side of the country to the other to get to the ships. And I forgot what Zen Tech make. We'll go over it eventually. These war stocks, they usually pay dividends 4 times a year. But we will be going to war. This war is not going to, don't be stupid. It's not going to last no couple of months. That's what Russia said. So the more wars, they're going to go up and up in value. And the dividends, they're going to get bigger and bigger. So this is a good time to hold war stock. Another thing that's good to hold right now is golf. Because rich people, they don't give a fuck about you. They just want to play their golf. And I know you can hate me, you get mad at me for saying that, but that golf ain't going nowhere. So you might as well get a piece of this golf. This is all my resilient stocks. Everything that preserves your portfolio. So golf, Airbnb for rich people, water, this company right here.
They produce water, mineralized. All these are all water companies. See that energy, energy. This is self-explanatory. You have Adams Energy before for your house bill. ADP for processing money. BlackRock. They take over everything. California, water, energy, energy. I might take the bank out. Water, energy, energy, beauty. Women always want to look good. Bankers, energy, energy. Dollar General, because in times of misfortune, people want to need to go to somewhere where the prices are low. That's why I got a dollar store. Dominion Energy, energy, beauty, gas, real estate, global. Okay, as far as these Gladstone investment corporations go, these real estate companies, REITs pay a dividend every month, and they also pay 9% of their profits. All REITs do that. Global Water Resources, bank, bank. Um, Johnson Johnson. I need to take that out. I already have that somewhere else, but it's resilient. All this stuff medical. This company is medical, but it's also registered with the government. They rent hospitals, and the hospitals are registered with the government. So you're safe no matter what. Water, Japanese stock for diversity. All this is going to be gas or overseas or like war or money or beauty. I think I have some alcohol in here. See, this is a utility. Republic Service is a trash company. No matter what, you're gonna need to get your trash taken care of. This is all gas. UPS, you need to have your mail service. No matter what, that has to happen. And they all pay dividends 4 times a year. Every last one of them. So this is Solar Wise. I just wanted to make a quick little video. I'm not gonna go into full detail. You should do your own research. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. Workers set you free. Peace.